Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It's Moss Fox here. Today I'm camping in my backyard, and I have a friend with me. His name is Skylar, bruh. That's him right there. He's sleeping. That's the top of our tent. There's the side. There's the other side. There's that side. There's the top again. Cream soda. Cream soda. Cream soda. Oh, that's my friend Skylar, bro.
No.
Well,
I just woke up.
you guys
You're
can't.
annoying.
Yeah, you can't really see him, but he's over there.
Wait. Give me here.
He's right there. I know he looks creepy, but my camera sucks at lighting in the dark, so yeah. I'll make sure to get this video up pretty soon, but I don't know. Hey, there's a wild bear.
Plus, we have cream soda.